Hello there. I've just had a request from one of my viewers who's been looking at my videos about the fuse boxes. Also noted the fact that I said I'd recently had to change my main fuse because it had blown. The reason it had blown, we believe, according to a couple of auto electricians, is the fact that it had had an intermittent fault with the alternator, and he thinks it was probably weakened. So the actual main fuse just went one day when I was out in the car, and the car just died. Literally no power, no nothing. Now luckily it happened where it was in a very quiet road, but it could have happened somewhere much more serious, on a faster piece of road, or God forbid in the middle of a dual carriageway or something. I called the AA. They came and repaired the fuse because they didn't actually have one, because it's not an ordinary standard fuse. So I had to take it to the local garage, and they fitted a new one the next day. They had to order it because it's not a standard fuse, and this was just to show the location of it as was requested. So it's actually built within the positive terminal of the battery. So if you just lift the positive up like that and unclip this, a bit fiddly with one hand, the actual main fuse is this one here, and it's an 80 amp fuse. Now that completely blew, which completely kills all power to the rest of the circuit. But you can't just replace that. It comes as a complete package with this whole block, and the terminals plug in down the bottom there. You can probably see they're down there. This all plugs into this, but this is a complete block that you buy, and it's fitted together by undoing that and so on. But that was done by the garage. It is something I probably could do, but as I couldn't get it anyway, and I had to order it, it was just as easy for them to fit it. So hopefully that's done the job, just to locate it for you so as you know where it is, and hopefully you'll never ever have to actually have to use it. I did buy a hazard light which sits on the top of the car, one of these amber lights like the warning vehicles use, just in case it does happen, so as I can put it on the top of the car. So there we go. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.